So it's Mark and Christy from Capital Podiatry. We were just going to talk about our new fantastic wart treatment system called Swift, which uses localised microwaves to spur the immune system into attacking warts and killing them. It's a very new and very effective approach to treating warts. So what it does is it uses low frequency focused microwaves on the wart, which causes the warty tissue to release proteins, and the immune system of the body recognises these proteins and then realises there's a wart there and attacks it, because these warts are very tricky and can often evade the immune system, which is why they're so hard to treat. And how's it going? How's it been received?
We've had some really great success. The benefits of Swift has been very rewarding for our patients. It's been the most successful treatment that we've had here in our Capital Podiatry. So patients are loving it.
Yeah. It's nice to have a system where the actual results live up to the manufacturer's claims.
Definitely.
Yeah, and it's a safe system to use too, because it's very low frequency, very localised microwaves, and it's different than other wart treatments in that there's no bandaging required afterwards. You don't have to take any pain relief afterwards.
Mm-hmm.
It's done and dusted at the time, and walk away and don't feel any different.
Yeah.
So it's safe and it's a lot less messy.
Yeah.
So what's the treatment regime usually?
So the treatments are only a half an hour appointment, so there's really no downtime out of your day. It's just a quick half an hour, and it's approximately a month between treatments. So yeah.
We normally go about 3 on average, and that seems to be enough, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
We do get people to come back in and review them afterwards, but 3 seems to be the magic number.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Great.
So if you've been doing the rounds and you've had acid, burning, freezing, surgery, and nothing seems to work, come in and try Swift. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.
Yep, we love it.